If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube or follow us here on Instagram.
Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMtrading. Today is January 3rd, 2020, and today is Friday morning. But before we get into our major economic events of the day, breaking news. Overnight, U.S. airstrikes kill and murder Iranian commander, which is a major news event, sending the markets into turmoil. Before we do the coverage on the markets, I just want to say that tonight we do have a major FOMC meeting minutes following our last FOMC discussion. So this is a scheduled economic event already coming in. However, in light of this breaking news, I think the markets are going to just be in turmoil altogether. We're now looking at the currencies. We're looking at the US dollar gets stronger versus the euro and the GBP, ironically, after this has happened, while we're looking at the Dow Jones hitting new highs yesterday, but shedding those highs and selling off over 400 points after this US airstrikes this morning. So with that said, okay, the question is which way we're going to go next. Now looking at commodities, both gold and oil explode on the news. Really major event. And lastly, looking at the stocks, Apple hit new highs, just $1 short of $300 a share. Okay, but let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So we're taking a look here at the Euro USD at a 4-hour chart. You can see we've sold off nicely, okay, from our 112-ish high down to 111.50. That's a 50 pip retracement, and we're sure to say this because this was really prepped up into the end of the year. And I mentioned this, that this would be a fade opportunity to correct itself on the downside. Now this has not just happened here, okay, it's happened also with the GBP USD. If we take a look at that, let's jump into the daily. You could see that, let's jump into a 4-hour that's a little bit clearer to 131 from 131.90-ish level. That's a nice 50 pip retracement there, 90 to 50 pip retracement for the GBP. Now jumping into gold, this is really the major play right now. 1544 bouncing on this massive news. Now I want to take us to a daily chart. Now, the last time we hit around this area, 1557 was our high, and we're about 10 points away from that. Okay, so this may be capitulating here to an extreme level and then selling off after the news has actually hit. Okay, this is a tremendous fade opportunity. You guys mentioned me say this several times in webinars and so on and so forth. And basically, it's a knee-jerk reaction. Okay, the knee-jerk reaction to the markets after this news comes out, and then there's a correctional move on the opposite direction. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, all right, this is really that major play from 28,893. We sold off to 28,537 over a 300-point move, and now we're just bouncing above it. Okay, 28,583 right now. The question is which way is this going to go? Okay, my personal take on this, I think there's going to be a counter correction to this. I think the news is important. I think there will be some sort of retaliation from the Iranian side, and they've been very harsh with their words currently, but it's not going to happen overnight. Okay, it's not going to be a retaliatory something from today to tomorrow. What is this disconcerting about the direction? Okay, so this may add a damper on our outlook, but if we look at the stocks, they're still very strong. Apple hitting $299 a share, all-time new highs. Google, okay, also hitting all-time new highs, 1360. If we jump also to JP Morgan, we're back at this 140-ish level, which is also all-time new highs. Markets are making higher highs, higher lows, and the markets are ultimately getting stronger. Okay, Microsoft hitting $160 a share. Okay, so this may be a capitulating point for the markets to actually correct itself, but be sure that the markets are going to add volatility. Okay, there's definitely going to add volatility, especially what's going on with this news event. Okay, this is a trader's haven. I can't even tell you, because the volatility is going to give you several options. Now, I believe that there's going to be a lot of smoke before the air actually clears out and we have some sort of direction. So just expect a very choppy market. Don't jump into a position and be married to it. Okay, make sure that you're just bouncing and making sure that you're booking your profits as you're going along throughout today. Okay, but massively an important day for trading today, so just be careful also and use stop losses. Okay, this is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day and a beautiful weekend. Thank you.